Welcome back here to the channel. If you hold XRP, obviously this video is for you guys. It's about Ripple and what they're trying to do in terms of acquisitions after its $1.25 billion acquisition of the Hidden Road company. So this was a mega deal for $1.25 billion. And they've got some big plans right now, and a lot of people going back and forth if Ripple should IPO eventually. I think that's still on the table. I don't think it's going to happen this year. We've been talking about this for quite some time, but Cointelegraph put out some content earlier today basically saying Ripple is eyeing multiple new acquisitions after its acquisition of Hidden Road. And they're also planning on some major XRPL upgrades, which if you've been subscribed to this channel, you've been getting those updates every single day. Any type of news that goes on behind the scenes with XRP or Ripple, we've got you covered right here. So a lot of you guys watch the content daily or watch it regularly and don't subscribe. Make sure you guys are locked in and subscribed here to the channel. Let me put myself back over here. There we go. So this was the post from Cointelegraph early this afternoon. And we also had some information come in. This came in yesterday, just in. CME's XRP futures hit 542 million in volume in its first month, with 45% of the trades coming from outside North America. We know XRP is massive in Asia, really big in the Middle East region as well, pretty much all across the globe, but definitely has a strong foothold in different regions outside the United States. As for the overall market right now, XRP sitting at 210, Bitcoin back up over 107, kind of bouncing a little bit. But I think the big storyline here is, when we're looking at the price of XRP here at 210, a lot of people would, love to say XRP is not going anywhere. It's not doing anything. Guys, you have to have patience when it comes to crypto. I don't know how many times I can say this. I'm reading a lot of the comments here these last few days, and it's just, it's a head scratcher, honestly. I mean, look at this chart. We're up 343% in the last year. So if you were chasing the green candles and bought at $3, maybe that's why you're really upset, because now you're stuck waiting. But even if you're waiting for XRP to get back to $3, ask yourself a couple questions. Like, do you have a long-term goal here? Are you actually in it for the right reason? Or are you just trying to make money fast? And if you're just trying to make money fast, this isn't the play. Like, XRP is a long-term game. I mean, people waited and waited and waited when we were down here for seemingly ever. Look at this. We were caught down here at 32 cents, 47 cents, range bound, popped up to 74 cents back in 2023, just briefly. I mean, we were waiting here at 50 cents for a long time. Okay. Yes, back in 2021, we did make a little bit of noise, got up to 156. Even though you couldn't buy any XRP anywhere, essentially only Uphold had it in the United States. We still, we're talking about XRP way down here because we knew the potential. We were playing the long game, and still are, by the way. We were talking about it in 2021, 2022, 2023, when nobody else was, because we're seeing the long-term vision here. And so, I know there's a lot of people frustrated right now. I see the comments. I see people coming in. XRP's not moving. XRP's going down. What's going on? What's happening? Why isn't XRP's price moving? Nothing is moving right now outside of Bitcoin, and it's not going to move until liquidity really comes back into the market full force. But this is the seasonal aspect of crypto. Like, you have to be prepared for this. You have to be ready for this. And you have to, especially when it comes to big spot positions, when it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, you got to have patience. These are massive market caps. They're not going to move overnight. But I always come back to stories, like the ones we just took a look at. What Ripple's doing behind the scenes. And I know what people are going to say. Well, Zach, you tell us the same thing every single day, and it's the big storylines. And listen, guys, I am not here just to feed you a bunch of, BS. I'm telling you what's happening behind the scenes. They did just acquire a company for $1.25 billion. They are looking to acquire other companies. They are playing the long game. Ripple is playing the long game here. And so it's on you if you're not. Okay. And I hate to be frank, but I've just got to tell it like it is sometimes. And so many people here who are, looking for XRP to hit $1,000 tomorrow. I got news for you. It's not going to happen. So if you like the realness, if you like the, real breakdown, because that's what you're going to get on this channel, then subscribe to the channel. If not, go watch something else. Go listen to somebody else who's going to tell you it's going to go to the moon tomorrow. XRP is a great, in my opinion, a great long-term play. Absolutely love it. That's why I'm invested in it. I'm putting my money where my mouth is here. But I'm not trying to get rich with XRP tomorrow or the next day or next month. I know that this is a long-term game. So this is exactly what we expected. Ripple is eyeing other acquisitions outside of their most recent one with Hidden Road. There have been rumors swirling that, they're looking at a host of different companies. Some of them are exchanges. There was smoke related to the whole Circle deal, right? It didn't end up going through, but Ripple has capital. This is a massive market cap. They have the ability to go after and find companies, and that's what they're going to do right now. Will they ever IPO? Maybe down the line in 2026. They'd be the first, real crypto project to have a token and a publicly traded company. And I think once regulations are all set in stone, stable coins, the Genius Act is passed, I think this could happen. This could happen. But in terms of the price of XRP, as long as we're above $2 right now, that is a really good sign in this market. When we dip down below $2, I become a buyer. And this is just my opinion. It's not financial advice. I'm just telling you guys, how I'm looking at it. I can't tell you what to do or how to look at things. And so, listen, I know, again, speaking not to everyone here, but some people, I'm tired of the comments. Zach, oh my gosh, it's another breaking news story and nothing's happening to the price. It's not going to drastically impact the price. But these storylines and these headlines and these things that are happening behind the scenes impact the longevity of Ripple and XRP. They will influence the price in a longer time frame. We saw XRP do a 6x in 6 weeks. The market moves in waves. This is how it works. And if you're not used to it, get used to it. Like, I'm here to inform you guys. So if you guys like this breakdown, let me know in the comment section. Give me your thoughts and your opinions, what you agree with, disagree with, what you want to see more of, etc. And make sure you guys do subscribe if you guys want actual real breakdowns and real content of what's going on in the markets. Also, check out all my links down below if you're looking to trade with me over at BTCC. Got some great offers over at BITUNIX where you can get some free XRP. And then Crypto.com, our most recent sponsor. Unbelievable. They speak for themselves. You guys know. Now, this is not the retail app. This is the exchange side. You could start trading with me over at Crypto.com. And if you pick whatever crypto it is you want to pick first, you're going to have no trading fees for 365 days. 0 trading fees. So some great opportunities with Crypto.com, BITUNIX, and BTCC. It is free to sign up and join on all of these platforms. Start trading with me in whichever platform fits your goals and aspirations. So that's what we got for you guys in the video. I appreciate y'all for watching. And for the real ones who understand how to play this game, I appreciate you guys. And for the ones that, are coming at me or whatever, I'm just here to tell you, like, this is how I see it. This is my opinion. I'm here to break things down and give it to you real and give you guys the real insights and information. I've been doing it for 4+ years. And I'm going to continue to do it every single day for you guys. So if you guys like the videos, you like the breakdowns, make sure you guys click the subscribe button, hit the like button as well. And we'll see you guys in the next one.